Hello and welcome to this short video presentation on the measurement of second fixed joinery from Duncan Cartledge Online. Second fixed joinery items are spread over 4 work sections, 22 to 25 in NRM2. Note that second fixed joinery items are deemed to be wrought, that's finished, and nominal size. As detailed here, confusion can occur when ordering timber due to the allowance for finished sizing. Section 23 is one of the shortest in NRM2. Most units are numbered and referenced to a manufacturer's catalogue. Section 24 deals with doors, frames and linings. There are a number of approaches to measurement as detailed here. Section 25 is for the measurement of stairs, etc. These are mainly prefabricated off-site, although it is worth becoming familiar with the various components. For the full picture on the measurement of second fixed joinery, together with over 9 hours of video presentations, go to Duncan Cartledge Online, and don't forget to download our podcasts.